If you're a tech enthusiast looking for the perfect remote gig, Braves Technologies has the opportunity for you. Founded in 2003, Braves Technologies is your gateway to exciting remote job opportunities. We're a dynamic IT services company helping global tech firms build and manage offshore development teams in India. Our secret sauce? A people-centric approach and a work culture that prioritizes you. With a high retention rate of 85%, our employees stay and thrive. Currently, we're on the hunt for 2 associate systems engineers. If you're a recent graduate with a B/B.Tech in ENTC or electrical engineering, this could be the perfect fit. Here's what we're looking for. Good written and verbal communication skills. A solid grasp of data structures and algorithms. Basic knowledge in Python or any other scripting. Strong analytical and problem-solving skills. Understanding of functional or object-oriented programming. Additional perks? SQL knowledge and a Python certification will give you an edge. What's in it for you? Competitive salary, remote work culture, and flexible timings. Plus, comprehensive health insurance, leave encashments, and regular fun activities. Located in Pune but working from home, you'll be part of a team that values high performance, diverse thinking, and collaboration. So, are you ready to join a company that supports your growth and encourages continuous learning? Apply now and start building your dream career with Braves Technologies. Check the link in the description for more details. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.